Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home.
So what are you wearing?
Well, it's penguin season.
Oh, that's why these two. Oh, I see. I understand.
And you know what that means.
It means time for the holiday gift guide.
It's time for our annual Smart Home Holiday Gift Guide, and this is where we go through all of our favorite smart home, kitchen, and other tech devices and find something for everyone on your list.
Okay, so let's get started.
All right, penguins are ready.
This is the third edition of the original Wyze Smart camera we've been recommending for years. The Wyze Cam V3 has a clear 1080p resolution with color night vision, and your loved one can use it safely indoors or out. It detects motion and sound and records to the cloud or to its internal storage card.
The Eufy Security Solo Cam is an indoor-only smart camera with crystal clear 2K resolution that also includes human and pet detection without an additional subscription. If your loved one loves their Apple products, they'll also appreciate that the Eufy Solo Cam works with Apple HomeKit.
Oh, and make sure you add a microSD storage card to your order so your loved ones can start recording right away.
The YSmart plug comes in 1, 2, or 4 packs in indoor and outdoor versions. Amazon calls these certified for humans, and we agree. These are simple to install and use with the Wyze app. The outdoor plug includes 2 separate controllable outlets.
We really like the Sync line of smart home products from GE Lighting. The indoor smart plug is nice and compact, and the outdoor version also has 2 outlets and a heavy-duty outlet cover. Light strips make a fun and colorful gift for kids of all ages on your list. They are also surprisingly useful for lighting up different areas around the home. Under the counter, around the television, and under the bed. We like these heavy-duty full-color LED light strips from GE Lighting that also work with the Sync app. If your loved one wants to control switches in their home, apartment, or dorm room, the Third Reality Smart Switch is one of the easiest ways to get started. Just snap the smart switch on top of a regular switch, pair it with a compatible Amazon Echo, and the battery-powered device moves the switch on or off on command.
Speaking of Amazon Echoes, there's one for everyone on your list. Whether you just want the smart speaker or an Echo Show with a camera, there are multiple sizes and price points to meet every budget, and your loved ones can use them to control lots of devices in the home. Amazon also has kid-friendly versions of the Echo, both with and without the screen, that include specialized content and parental controls. All sizes of the Echo Show now include a privacy shutter.
We were really happy to see the Apple TV upgrade this year. This powerful little box has a slick interface to watch all of your streaming networks with an intuitive remote control. There are several models to choose from, but for the best experience, we suggest you get the 4K version with 64 gigabytes of memory. Apple's tiny smart speakers have amazing sound and work with Siri to do lots of things your iPhone does, as well as control compatible smart home devices. Apple has the HomePod Mini in 5 fun colors.
We've been recommending the Smart Sous Vide machine for years. The Jewel makes a sophisticated sous vide cooking technique accessible to almost any home cook with its easy-to-use app. Blue Apron gift cards always make our holiday gift guide. Blue Apron offers fresh and interesting ingredients and clear instructions, making it easy for your loved ones to prepare delicious dinners and learn new cooking techniques along the way. You can buy Blue Apron e-gift cards in any amount. We recommend $130 for a nice break from worry about what's for dinner. Do you have a coffee or tea lover on your list? Chances are they like to drink their beverage hot, but sometimes life gets in the way. With the Ember Mug, they'll be able to keep their beverages at just the right temperature, and it comes in a travel version for those on the go.
When you are cooking meat, it's always best to cook it to the right temperature, as grills, ovens, and smokers all vary. The Meter Plus uses Bluetooth to connect the temperature probe to your phone, so you can measure your meat's temperature wirelessly from up to 165 feet away. Buy a single, a pair, or the Meter Block for 4 probes and built-in Wi-Fi to cook 4 proteins to perfection.
Does someone on your list suffer from food intolerances or sensitivities? If so, chances are they will love the Food Marble, an innovative device that helps you measure your body's reaction to food. This year, Food Marble further enhanced their app and added a 6-week discovery program to help users get started understanding their digestive systems.
The BedJet warms or cools your bed depending on the season or your preferences, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep. You can get the BedJet in a dual zone version with a cloud sheet that keeps each sleeper cool or toasty.
Lots of devices can measure your sleep, but we love our sleep tracker since we don't have to wear anything or remember to turn it on. The sleep tracker pads, one for each side of the bed, sit between your mattress and box spring and provide daily scores and insights. When baby sleeps better, parents sleep better. If someone in your life is expecting or just had a baby, the Nana is a great gift. The Nana tracks baby sleep and uses artificial intelligence to alert parents to potential problems when the baby wears the Nana breathing wear. This year, Nana introduced smart sheets that work with a camera to measure the baby, so parents can see and share how baby grows up over time.
You can place the SimpleSense water leak detector in multiple areas around the home to detect leaks. If it senses water or frozen temperatures, it immediately sends a text message or email, and even sounds an alarm. This is a great gift for anyone concerned about their home, vacation home, rental property, or office. If you have loved ones on your list who water with their regular garden hose, the Beehive XD will help make the garden smart. Use the XD with 1, 2, or 4 hoses, and you can set timers, schedules, and even adjust for drought conditions and watering restrictions. It's great for any plant lovers on your list.
This quiet and compact smart air purifier will make a great gift for anyone on your list. The Smartme air purifier is portable and would be great for a bedroom, nursery, or dorm room. While it works with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit, it also works just fine on its own, sensing particulates in the air and turning itself on and off automatically.
We named ours Sebastian, and he does a great job on both carpets and tile floors and avoids furniture and objects well. The Wyze Robot Vacuum is a great gift for anyone needing a little more help with their housekeeping.
If your loved one is an Apple user, they'll love AirTags. These little discs work with millions of Apple devices around the world to help you find your lost stuff. You can get them individually in packs of 4 and with keychains and luggage tags to dress them up for your special someone. If your loved one uses an Android phone, we'd recommend that you buy them the Tile instead. The Tile also helps you track and find your stuff with some really neat form factors, different sizes, and colors.
These tiny battery-powered Wyze Nightlights let you pair up to 10 together to light up wherever they detect motion. They don't need an app or phone, making them a great stocking stuffer for anyone on your list who goes bump in the night.
Great for anyone on your list looking to keep better track of their health, the YSmart Scale measures weight as well as 11 other essential body metrics and can recognize up to 8 users in a household. Your loved one can see their stats and track their progress over time.
These high-quality noise-canceling headphones from Wyze work great for video conferencing, listening to music, and phone calls. They even work with Alexa. Great for anyone on your list that works at home or just appreciates their quiet time. The Wyze Watch has plenty of sophisticated features at a price that makes it a sure bet for anyone on your list, even as a stocking stuffer. It includes fitness tracking, changeable watch faces, and the battery lasts up to 9 days.
This was our holiday gift for ourselves last year, and we have no regrets. There are plenty of bidets on the market, but we went for the top of the line Toto Washlet with the heated seat, heated water, and nightlight. Toto released their first washlet in 1980, and they've continued to innovate ever since. If you're thinking about getting this for yourself or for your family, don't wait another year. We've long been fans of stargazing apps that let you point at the sky and identify planets and constellations. But we would love to take our casual sky gazing to the next level with the Vispera, one of our favorite products from this year's virtual CES. The Vispera is a combination personal telescope and camera that you can use in your backyard or take with you to the wilderness. It works with a companion app that lets you dig into what you see and can take stunning images. The Vispera won't make it under our tree this year since it's on pre-order, but we're happy to wait for Smart Home Santa to bring it.
We hope you enjoyed our holiday gift guide this year.
And from our family to yours, we wish you the very best this holiday season.